Today we are going to draw the sun.
Sun with no hands.
The sun doesn't have hands, yeah. So we're going to draw the sun. What's the first letter of sun?
S.
S. Good. Awesome. High five. Yeah, S is for sun. Sun shines so bright. Okay, and also S is for star as well. S is for so many things, but today we are drawing the sun. S is for sun. Okay, can we go ahead?
Sometimes the sun is too bright in your eyes.
Yes, when you look at it, it's not good to look at the sun directly. If you want to look at the sun, you have to wear a sunglasses so that it will not hurt your eyes. Okay, are you ready? From the middle here. Okay, draw a big circle. Okay, and join it together. From the middle, big circle. Go round. Awesome. All right. So from here, let's make a zigzag shape.
It's like
just go round.
It's like you did this
and
you do like bubble.
Yeah. Go round it. Let's keep going. Keep going. This is the rays of the sun. Keep going. Go round it.
How do you know the sun is yellow?
Yeah, the sun is
yellow. Are we
yellow.
going to color the sun yellow?
Yeah, we are going to do that. Okay. Alright. Oh, good. Awesome. Let's use the black and give the sun a funny face, like eyes.
Sun don't have any face. Outside.
It's true, it doesn't have a face. But we want to make it fun. So draw a big oval shape. 2 oval shapes like this. Oval shapes like that. Another eye. Okay. Then in the middle draw another one again in the middle like this. Okay, then here leave a space here, a little space like this. Okay, then shed this one black, this rest, shed it black. Awesome. Then let's give it a smiley face like this. And give it a smiley face like this.
I want him to be sad.
Don't make it sad. His son is never sad. He's always happy. Okay. Wow, this is so fine. All right.
Very sun.
Yeah.
Don't need anything else for this one.
Yeah. So let's color it yellow.
All right. We do that, we will not need any more colors.
Yes. Let's go ahead and give it a yellow shade of
Hey,
color.
wait for me.
All right. I'm waiting for you now. Let's go. Awesome! Wow! So your sun is looking so fine. This is the sun. This is a very happy sun. It must be a sun shining in the summer. So bright. What's the letter for sun? The first letter of sun?
S.
Good. S for sun. Okay, so can you write S? So write your S. Where do you want to write it there? Oh, sorry. You can write it again. Write it again. S. Good. S for sun. Wow, that's letter S for sun. Alright, so now we've come to the end of this video. We've come to the end of this video. I hope you drew along with us.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yes,
if
please.
you did not.
Yes, please subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and give us a thumbs up, okay? And also click.
Next time you can watch our video again.
Yes, please watch our video always, okay? Hit on that bell so that whenever we make a post, a new video, you will be the first to get it, okay? All right, thank you
Bye bye.
and bye.